Hi guys, this time I want to try to make an overnight muesli. First, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell. For the ingredients, you can see the description, okay? First, prepare 2 jars to put the muesli. Friends, did you know that muesli cereal has many benefits for the body? Some of the benefits are giving a sensation of fullness for longer, so that it can maintain weight, support healthy digestion through its fiber content, maintain heart health. Okay, now we put 5 tablespoons of muesli in the jar. Then pour liquid milk approximately 100 milliliters. It's better to use low-fat milk, guys. Muesli must be submerged by the milk of all friends, so that the muesli can be soft to eat. Then we also add Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt also comes from fermented cow's milk. However, unlike other types of yogurt, Greek yogurt has a thicker and softer texture. Greek yogurt also contains more protein and less sugar than regular yogurt. Next, we add small pieces of dragon fruit to add flavor and vitamins. Next, we add granules on top. Granola is a mixture of rolled oats, nuts, seeds, wheat, and sometimes added sugar or honey, spices, and dried fruit. Then we close his finger tightly and we will let it sit in the refrigerator one night. Well, let's put this in the bottom refrigerator to eat at breakfast tomorrow morning. And this is the muesli that we have stored last night in the refrigerator. It tastes delicious and sweet right from the dragon fruit, and of course, this is nutritious and practical for husband and children's breakfast. Good luck! Thanks for watching this channel.